Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, and today I'm taking you guys behind the scenes of automotive shoot, and this is my model for today. That's it. Stop there for me, please. It doesn't look that good because of this location. This location doesn't look that good. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully. Woo. Okay, I'm about to just run. Good. Okay, we're gonna keep going. It's kind of cool with that tree.
I would do.
We want to go further.
We could go forward a little bit, so that there's like you get a shot of like the.
Oh, it's cold. Oh, hi there. Yes, I'm at home recording an outro. I had this shoot very long time ago, and as I was recently looking through the videos, I noticed that I forgot to shoot an outro. So here it is. I have so much more videos coming up, just gotta get around to editing it all. So I appreciate your patience and support, and I hope to see you in my next one.